Hello student, welcome to Concept of Chemistry. In this video I will teach you the topic is Birch reduction. This topic is very important for your NET exam, SET exam, GATE exam and your MSc. Now we can see what are the reagent for Birch reduction. The reagent is lithium in presence of ammonia, potassium in presence of ammonia, sodium in presence of ammonia. These are the reagents which are used for Birch reduction. Now we can see some examples. If to the aryl ring electron donating group is attached, X is electron donating group. The electron donating groups are ethyl, methyl, any alkyl group, OR, NR2. These are the electron donating group which attach to a aryl ring. It undergo Birch reduction and we get here lithium in presence of ammonia. As we know, after drawing the resonance structure, this is the electron donating group. Therefore, at ortho and para position, after drawing resonance structure, we get at ortho position and para position negative charge, means the meta position is electron deficient. Therefore, lithium transfer its electron to the meta position. Lithium transfer its electron to the meta position. This bond donates its electron here and here negative charge is formed and we get here to the meta position electron transfer. This double bond remain as it is. This bond shift here and here negative charge is formed. X is the electron donating group. Again lithium transfer its electron here. Then here 2 electron means 1 negative charge. Again here ammonia transfer its proton to these 2 negative charge and we get here H. We get this product if X is the electron donating group. Remember, if OH attached to aryl ring, then it is an phenol. Remember, phenol not undergo Birch reduction. Phenol not undergo Birch reduction. Only this group undergo Birch reduction. Now we can see another example. If to the aryl ring X is electron withdrawing group, the electron withdrawing groups are cyanide, NO2, COOH. These are the electron withdrawing group. Then what is the product? And ester in presence of THF water. Ester in presence of THF water, it acts as an electron withdrawing group. CN, NO2, COOH, these are the electron withdrawing groups. Then what is the Birch reduction product? Here lithium transfer, here ortho para position is electron deficient and the meta position is electron rich. After drawing resonance structure, we get positive charge on ortho and para position. Therefore, where electron transfer here, the para position is electron deficient. Therefore, electron transfer to the para position, this bond shift electron here and here is the negative charge and we get here double bond, here electron, here negative charge. X is the electron withdrawing group. Then again lithium transfer its electron to the para position and we get here negative charge, here negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this negative charge and we get this product. If there is a acid group, X is the acid is electron withdrawing group. Here after drawing resonance structure at ortho and para position, we get negative charge. Therefore, electron transfer at para position. Then this bond shift here negative charge is formed and we get here negative, here radical here negative charge, here COOH. Then this negative charge donates electron here double bond form, and this bond break, and here O minus, here we get CO minus OH, here double bond, here electron. Then lithium transfer its electron to this radical, and we get here negative charge, and here we get O minus, here OH. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this negative charge, and we get here this product. If here we take electrophile protons, electrophile are EtBr, the electrophilic group is ethyl. Here carbonyl carbon is formed, then this bond attack to this ethyl and Br is eliminated, and we get here CO, here OH, here we get ethyl. Or here is the proton, here is the proton, then this bond take a proton, and we get here COOH. Now we can see another example. Here, if here is the ester group, it undergo Birch reduction. As we know, the ester group is electron withdrawing. In presence of lithium and ammonia, we get another product. In presence of lithium, ammonia and THF water, we get another product. The ester group in presence of lithium, ammonia, in presence of THF water, act as an electron withdrawing group. If there is lithium ammonia, then it act as an electron donating group. How? Because after lithium, here first lithium transfer its electron to carbonyl carbon, because carbonyl carbon is more electron deficient, therefore electron transfer first to this carbonyl carbon, and here lithium transfer electron, here this bond break, here O minus is formed, here electron, here OR. Again lithium transfer its electron to this carbon, and we get here C minus, here OR, here O minus. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this 2 negative charge, and we get here CHOR, here OH, and this group is electron donating. If there is a electron donating group, then we get this type of product. After Birch reduction, we get this type of product if there is a electron donating group, here CHOR, here OH, therefore we get this product. If here lithium in presence of ammonia, THF water, the ester group act as an electron withdrawing group. If there is a electron withdrawing group, then we get this type of product. Remember, these examples are very important. In presence of THF water, ester act as an electron withdrawing group, and we get this type of product. And in presence, if there is only lithium ammonia, then it act as a electron donating group. The ester group convert into CHOH OR, and we get electron donating. It act as a electron donating group, and we get this type of product. Now we can see another example. If this is an benzaldehyde which undergo Birch reduction, this group is electron withdrawing. Therefore, here first what happened here COH, here lithium transfer its electron. Here, as we know, after drawing resonance structure, the ortho position have and para position have the positive charge, therefore electron transfer at para position. But this carbonyl carbon is electron deficient, therefore first lithium transfer electron to this carbonyl carbon, this bond break, and we get here we get CO minus, here H, here radical. Then again lithium transfer its electron to this carbon, and we get here CO minus, here negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this 2 negative charge, and we get CH2OH. Means in presence of lithium ammonia, first the CHO group is reduced into a CH2OH. Then this group is electron donating. Then the ortho position have negative charge and para position have negative charge. Therefore, electron transfer to the meta position and this bond shift here, and here negative charge is formed, and we get here radical, here negative charge, here CH2OH. Again lithium transfer its electron to this meta position and we get here negative charge, here negative charge, here CH2OH. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this two negative charge and we get here this type of product. Remember, these examples are very important. If here is a ketonic group, remember aldehyde group attached to aryl ring, ketone group attached to aryl ring, ester group attached to a aryl ring, it gives this type of product. Why? Because the X is reduced to, aldehyde is reduced to CHOH, aldehyde is reduced to CH2OH, ketone is reduced to CHOHR, ester is reduced to C. Here what is the functional group of ester? COOR. It reduced to here CHOHOR, ester is reduced to CHOHR. Therefore we get this type of product, and ketone group is reduced to CHOHR and aldehyde group is reduced to CHOH, and we get here 1 2 3, here how many hydrogens? 1 2 3 4, here 2 hydrogens. Aldehyde is reduced to CH2OH. Therefore we get this type of product. Now we can see mechanism for if ketone group is attached to a aryl ring, then what is the product. Here as we know, the carbonyl carbon is electron deficient, therefore electron transfer to this carbonyl carbon and we get here O minus, here R, here is the radical. Then again lithium transfer its electron to this radical and we get here C negative charge, here O minus, here R. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this two negative charge and we get here CHROH, and this group is electron donating group. If there is electron donating group, then we get this type of product. This double bond is remain as it is, this double bond is remain as it is, here CHROH, and here we get double bond. Next example is if there is a alpha beta unsaturated system. Here the lithium transfer its electron to this carbon. Why? Because this carbon is very electron deficient. This bond is transfer its electron here and here we get O minus, here is the radical. Again lithium transfer its electron to this radical, we get here minus, here we get O minus. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this two negative charge and we get here proton proton, here double bond, here OH. Then it undergo tautomerism and this bond take this proton and we get here this product. Now we can see next example. If there is an alpha beta unsaturated system, it undergo Birch reduction. What is the product? Lithium transfer its proton to this terminal carbon, then this bond shift here and here negative charge is formed and we get here this product. As we know, the primary radical is unstable, but here this carbon is allylic carbon, therefore it is an allylic radical, and this is an allylic carbanion. Both are stable. Why? Because this internal double bond is more stable. Therefore the allylic radical and the allylic carbanion is stable. Then lithium transfer its electron to this radical and we get here negative charge, here negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this negative charge and we get this product. Now we can see next example. The next example is if there is an alkoxy group. Alkoxy group is electron donating group. If there is an alkoxy group is attached to a aryl ring, then what is the product? As we know, after drawing resonance structure, if there is electron donating group, then ortho and para position negative charge. Therefore, lithium transfer its electron to meta position. This bond transfer here, here negative charge is formed and we get here negative charge. Here is the radical, here OR. Then here lithium again transfer its electron to this radical and here negative charge is formed because 2 electron means 1 negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this 2 negative charge and we get here this product. Now we can see next here, if there is an HCl or H2SO4, these are the strong acid. Here we add oxalic acid, we get different products. If there is an oxalic acid, then here we get, first we write a mechanism step by step. First we can see for oxalic acid. Here oxalic acid consists of proton. This negative charge, this lone pair take this proton and we get here O plus R, then here H. Then water from the acid attack on this alkyl group, then the charge on oxygen is neutralized and we get here OH plus ROH. Then here this lone pair shift here and this bond take this proton and we get here O. Here beta gamma product. When there is a oxalic acid, then we get beta gamma product. Now we can see for the strong acid, if there is an strong acid, here this mechanism is same for strong acid. Here acid consists of proton, oxygen lone pair attack on this H plus ion and we get here O plus R, here H. Then water from acid attack on this R group, then we get here OH and ROH. Then this bond here it undergo tautomerism. Here this bond take this proton and we get here this product. Then if here is a strong acid, here is a weak acid, therefore we get this type of product. If there is a strong acid, then here this oxygen take proton from the acid and we get here this product. Then here again H plus from the acid donates its proton and we get here this bond take proton from the acid, here O plus H, and after loss of hydrogen we get this product. If there is a strong acid, then we get alpha beta unsaturated product. If there is an weak acid, oxalic acid, weak acid, we get beta gamma product. Remember, this example is very important for your NET exam, SET exam and GATE exam. Now we can see next example. If there is a biphenyl system, if there is a biphenyl system, what is the product? The aryl ring is electron withdrawing, then what is the product? If there is an electron withdrawing group, then what is the product? We get this product. Again we add lithium in presence of ammonia, we get this product. Now we can see mechanism. The aryl ring is electron withdrawing, therefore lithium transfer its electron to the para position, then this bond shift here negative charge is formed because this aryl ring is electron withdrawing, therefore here negative charge, here double bond, here electron. Again lithium transfer its electron to this radical and we get here negative charge, here negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this 2 negative charge and we get here this product. Again if we add lithium in presence of ammonia, then here electron transfer, this bond shift here and here negative charge is formed and we get here electron, here negative charge. Again lithium transfer its electron to this radical, we get here 2 negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this 2 negative charge, we get this product. This is the mechanism for biphenyl system. Now we can see next example. If there is an quinoline undergo Birch reduction, what is the product? Quinoline undergo Birch reduction, what is the product? The lithium here, the nitrogen having negative charge because nitrogen is more electronegative, carbon having positive, here negative charge, here positive charge, and due to enhanced stabilization effect, here the charge on nitrogen negative is stable, therefore lithium transfer electron to this 4th position, here 1,4 electron transfer take place. Lithium transfer its electron to this 4th position, this bond shift here, and the negative charge on the nitrogen is more stable due to enhanced stabilization effect because nitrogen is more electronegative and the negative charge on nitrogen is more stable because nitrogen is more electronegative, therefore we get this product. Then here lithium again transfer its electron to this radical and we get here this. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this 2 negative charge and we get here NH, here H. If there is an pyridine, then what is the product? Here again 1,4 addition of electron, lithium transfer its electron here, this bond shift here, and the negative charge on nitrogen is more stable due to enhanced stabilization effect. Again lithium transfer its electron to this radical and we get here negative charge, here negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this 2 negative charge and we get here NH, we get this product. Now we can see next example. If there is an isoquinoline, what is the product? If there is an isoquinoline which undergo Birch reduction, what is the product? Here also 1,4 addition of electron take place, here electron transfer, here negative charge is formed and we get here negative charge, here and double bond C, here electron. Again lithium transfer its electron here, we get here negative charge, here negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to the 1,4 position and we get here N, here H, here H, here H, here H, we get this product. Now we can see next example. If there is a naphthalene, then what is the product? What is the product? The most substituted double bond is more stable, therefore we get this type of product. This double bond, internal double bond, is more stable. Why? Because this double bond is more substituted, because here 4 substituent, 1 2 3 4, therefore internal double bond is more stable because the internal double bond is more substituted. Therefore here we get this type of product. Here what is the mechanism for this? The electron here, electron transfer here, electron from lithium, this bond shift here, here we get negative charge. The electron from lithium transfer here, and here we get negative charge, and we get here double bond, here double bond, here negative charge, here negative charge, here negative charge, here electron, here electron. Again lithium transfer its electron to these two radical, and we get here negative charge, here negative charge, here negative charge, here negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this 4 negative charge, and we get here this product. Now we can see next example. If here is the OH, what is the product? As we know, the phenol not undergo Birch reduction, but this group is electron donating, therefore ortho, meta, para. The meta position is electron deficient, ortho and para position is electron rich. Therefore electron transfer, where the electron transfer here, this is the meta carbon, this is the ortho carbon. I write here double bond, here double bond, here double bond. The electron transfer, this is the meta carbon. To this meta carbon, this carbon is attached. Therefore electron transfer to this carbon, this bond shift here, and here is the negative charge, and we get here electron, here negative charge. Again lithium transfer its electron to this negative charge, electron, and we get here 2 electron. 2 electron means 1 negative charge. And ammonia transfer its proton to this 2 negative charge, and we get here is the double bond, here is the double bond. We get this product. Now we can see next example. Next example is, if there is an alkoxy group, here is the alkoxy group, what is the product? As we know, ortho position electron rich, meta is electron withdrawing, para is electron rich, because this group is electron donating. After drawing resonance effect, ortho and para position, we get negative charge. Therefore electron transfer here, this bond shift here, and here negative charge is formed, and we get here double bond, here negative charge, here OR. Again lithium transfer its electron to this radical, and we get here negative, here OR. Then ammonia transfer its proton to this 2 negative charge, and we get here this product. If next example, if here is the electron withdrawing group aldehyde, then what is the product? As we know, aldehyde ketone ester first reduce with the lithium in presence of ammonia, we get here CH2OH. First reduction of this CHO group into a CH2OH. After Birch reduction, we get here CH2OH. As we know, this CH2OH is electron donating group. Therefore here ortho and para position is electron rich, therefore electron transfer here, and we get here this product. Then lithium again transfer its electron to this radical, and we get here 2 negative charge, here CH2OH. Then ammonia transfer its proton to these two negative charge and we get here this product. Now we can see next example. If this type of system, then what is the product? Due to anion stabilization effect, negative charge stable at nitrogen, therefore electron transfer here. Then what is the product? The product is here, and this here 1,4 addition of electron and we get this product. What is the mechanism for this? What is the mechanism for this? The mechanism for this is here double bond, here double bond. First electron transfer to this position, the electron from lithium transfer to this 4th position, and here bond shift here, and here negative charge is formed. Due to anion stabilization effect, the addition of electron is like this. Here electron, here negative charge. Then again lithium transfer its electron here and we get here negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to these two negative charge and we get here this product. Next example is, if there is an benzopyrrole, if there is an benzopyrrole 6-member ring attached with 5-member ring containing heteroatom is nitrogen, is called as benzopyrrole. If this nitrogen, or here is the sulfur, or here is the oxygen, we get same product. As we know, here the lone pair of electron, this lone pair is undergo conjugation, therefore the second ring not undergo Birch reduction. The first ring is undergo Birch reduction. Here we get this product. Why? Because the more electron density in second ring and the lone pair is in conjugation, therefore we get this product. What is the mechanism for this? The mechanism for this is, here is the nitrogen, here NH, here NH, here double bond, here the electron transfer to this carbon, electron from lithium, this bond shift here, here negative charge is formed. The more electron density in second ring, therefore the electron transfer to the first ring and we get here negative charge, here electron, here NH. Again lithium transfer its electron to this radical and we get here NH, here negative, here negative. Then ammonia transfer its proton to these two negative charge and we get here this product. If there is an nitrogen replaced by sulfur, oxygen, then we get this type of product. Next example is, this system undergo Birch reduction in presence of lithium ammonia. What is the product? First lone pair donates its electron here, this bond shift here, here negative charge is formed and we get here nitrogen having positive charge because lone pair is donated and here negative charge. The electron transfer from lithium to this second carbon and this bond shift here and we get here NH, here electron, here negative charge. Again lithium transfer its electron to this radical and we get here two negative charge. Then ammonia transfer its proton to these two negative charge and we get this product. Now we can see next example. The next example is, if there is two electron donating group adjacent to each other, it undergo Birch reduction. What is the product? The double bond here and here double bond, because these two are electron donating group, therefore this bond is remain as it is. Now we can see next example. Here is the electron donating group, then what is the product? This double bond remain as it is because here electron donating group is attached, and we get